So I've got a list and I like to extract the unique values from that list because usually I do this when I want to create a drop down, but I can't be bothered to kind of look up and type the list out, and I've already got a list of data. So let's look at a quick way to do that. Okay, so I have my spreadsheet and I've created a category, but I did this and then I started a lookup and the lookup was wrong. I've got the wrong items in here and I'm thinking, why am I doing this by hand, right? So quick way is all I do is I select the data, the column that has the items I want to make unique, and then I go up to the Data tab, and it's Sort and Filter here and Advanced. And in Advanced, I get this pop-up, and I can filter the list in place, but I don't want that. I'd like to copy it to another location. And you can see I've chosen this one. In the previous one I tried, there we go. I'm just going to delete that and see. There we go. If I had criteria, I'd put the criteria here. I don't in this case. And I only want unique records. This is really important. You have to tick this. Then and the other thing is you have to copy it. The copy to location needs to be on the same sheet. If I just try and do this on a different sheet. Yeah. I do try every time. Every time every time a new version comes out, I do try it again, and I'm always left going, yeah, no, I was right. Okay, so it has to be on that sheet. Unique records only. But again, maybe, in the future you're watching this in 5-10 years. Please do try to see if it'll go onto a different sheet. And if it will, great. If it doesn't, well, you're like me and you have to do this in 2 steps. So you go, okay, there we go. I now have my list, and then I just cut and then paste it. Okay. Then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to call it category. That's it. And I think, yeah, I've already created a drop down for this, and I have that in another video, which you should find up here. Okay. It might be at the end of the video, but it'll be around here. Thank you so much for watching and staying to the end. I really do appreciate it. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up button. And also, if you'd like to see more videos, then please do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Oh, and if you have any suggestions of more topics for Microsoft Office or other software, please do put that in the comments below. Take care. Have a good day. Bye for now.